Komishona Nyanza Flora Mworoa jiwo jodak mawuok e gwenge makono mondo mi obed akicha gi jokwe masani wuondo ji ni gichiwo barupe mag tije obila. Mworoa wacho ni giseyudo lipode mag jogo ma bende wuondo oganda ni gidhi konyogi yudo thuolo mag tije obila. Mworoa bende nowacho ni jodak ma Siaya, Kisumu, Homa Bay, Kisii, Nyamira kod Migori kik yie mondo kwalgi yo machalo kod mano. Ne oloso e gwenge ma Kisumu e yo machalo kama.
I would like to give a general statement first to the members of the public, because we have had a lot of conmen going around cheating our people that they have recruitment letters for the police recruitment. You know, this recruitment has not been done for some time, so our people are very anxious and thus falling into the trap of being conned. I want to state that the recruitment has not been announced by the government. Therefore, members of the public should be wary of people who are going around conning them. Once recruitment has been planned, it will be announced, and for now, nobody should allow themselves to be conned. And in any case, even when it happens, it is free. So those going around selling letters, cheating people that they are going to help them in the recruitment, should be warned.